Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are learning about the equations of line part 5. The first numerical is, without using distance formula, show that the points A 4, minus 2, B 4, minus 4, 4, C 10, 6 are vertices of a right triangle. So A is 4, minus 2 and I have taken AB and then AC this side, AB horizontal and AC vertical. Now when we say that it is a right angle triangle, then we have to show that the slope of AB into slope of AC is equal to minus 1. Slope of AB into slope of AC is equal to minus 1. So let us take slope of AB as m1 and slope of AC as m2. And we are using the same formula, that is slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us find out the first one, that is m1. Slope of AB is equal to 4 minus of minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1 is minus 4 minus 4. That is equal to 4 plus 2 divided by minus 8. So this is 6 by minus 8. Therefore, m1 will be equal to 3 by 4. 2 3s are 2 4s are. So this is minus 3 by 4. Now let us find out m2. So m2 is equal to, this is slope of AC. Slope of AC. So it will be equal to y2 minus y1 will be minus 2 minus 6 divided by 4 minus 10. So that is equal to minus 8 by minus 6. Now we are getting 2 4s are and 2 3s are. So this is 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Let us find out m1 into m2 and are we going to get minus 1 or not? Let us check that. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. So 4 and 4 will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel, and we are getting minus 1. Therefore, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Hence, these vertices A and B and C are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Let us go for the second one. Without using distance formula, show that points A 4, 5, B 1, 2, C 4, 3, D 7, 6 are the vertices of a parallelogram. When we are saying that these are the vertices of a parallelogram, then it should be like this. AB should be parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. When they are parallel, then we know that slope of AB is equal to slope of DC, right? And similarly, slope of AD is equal to slope of BC. If they are equal, then they are the vertices of the parallelogram. Let us take a look about the slope of AB first. So it is same formula again, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So if we take slope of AB, then it will be equal to 2 minus 5 divided by 1 minus 4 is equal to slope of DC now. It is 3 minus 6 divided by 4 minus 7. So this is minus 3 by minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by minus 3. And hence this is plus 1 is equal to plus 1. 1 is equal to 1. So let me take this as equation 1. Means 1 is equal to 1, that is AB is parallel to DC since the slopes are equal. And now we will go for the slope of AD and slope of BC. So slope of AD should be equal to slope of BC. So here in this case LHS is equal to RHS. So AB is parallel to DC. Now slope of AD if we take, it is 6 minus 5 divided by 7 minus 4 is equal to slope of BC is 3 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 1. And hence we are going to get here 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 that is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have AD is parallel to BC. Now, I'll take this as 1 and this as 2. From 1 and 2, we can say that A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.